Today, we got an epic face-off between two of the most anticipated smartphones of the year, Google's Pixel 9 Pro XL and Apple's iPhone 15 Pro Max. Whether you're stuck in that classic iPhone versus Android debate or just curious about the latest and greatest, this is the video for you. We're diving deep into design, display, cameras, AI features, and battery life to help you decide which one should be your next daily driver. Let's jump right in. First up, let's talk about the price and specs. The Pixel 9 Pro XL starts at $1,099, while the iPhone 15 Pro Max starts at $1,119. The Pixel has a Google Tensor G4 processor, 16 gigs of RAM, and 128 gigs of storage, which you can upgrade all the way up to 1 TB. Meanwhile, the iPhone 15 Pro Max comes with an A17 Pro chip, 8 gigs of RAM, and a starting storage of 256 gigs, also upgradable to 1 TB. So what's the verdict? The Pixel 9 Pro XL has more RAM, which can make multitasking smoother, but iOS on the iPhone 15 Pro Max is incredibly efficient, so you'll barely notice the difference in everyday use. When it comes to pricing, the Pixel may be slightly cheaper, but the iPhone gives you more base storage. The Pixel 9 Pro XL has a fresh island-style camera bar on the back, made from recycled aluminum, and comes in some cool colors like obsidian and rose quartz. It's also taller and thinner than the iPhone, which sticks with its signature triple camera array in the top right corner but now in a sleek titanium frame. If you're into a modern minimalist design with a bit more height, the Pixel 9 Pro XL might catch your eye. But if you prefer something shorter and sturdier, the iPhone 15 Pro Max is your go-to. Now onto the display. The Pixel 9 Pro XL features a 6.8-inch OLED display with a resolution of 2992 x 1344 pixels. The iPhone 15 Pro Max, on the other hand, has a slightly smaller 6.7-inch panel at 2796 x 1290 pixels. The Pixel edges out with a higher resolution and a brighter screen, especially when it comes to HDR content. It even tops out at a peak brightness of 3000 nits compared to the iPhone's 2000 nits. Both displays are smooth as butter with 120 Hz refresh rates. But if you want that extra bit of brightness and clarity, the Pixel 9 Pro XL takes the win. Alright, let's dive into the cameras. One of the most important aspects for many of us. The Pixel 9 Pro XL packs a punch with a 42-megapixel selfie camera, a 50-megapixel wide camera, and a 48-megapixel ultra-wide lens. The iPhone 15 Pro Max counters with a 12-megapixel selfie camera, a 48-megapixel wide, and a 12-megapixel ultra-wide. The Pixel also offers a 48-megapixel telephoto lens with 5x optical zoom and up to 30x digital zoom, compared to the iPhone's 12-megapixel telephoto with 5x optical and 25x digital zoom. On paper, the Pixel 9 Pro XL looks like a beast, especially with its zoom capabilities. But remember, it's not just about the hardware. Software and image processing play a huge role. That said, the Pixel 9 Pro XL seems to have a slight edge, especially for those who love zooming in for that perfect shot. Now let's talk AI. Apple introduced Apple Intelligence with the iPhone 15 Pro Max, focusing on privacy and responsible AI use. Features like AI-powered Siri and Gmoji are cool, but are still in the early stages. Google, however, is going all out with AI on the Pixel 9 Pro XL. You get AI-powered weather apps, natural language search for screenshots, and even Pixel Studio for creating AI-generated images. The reimaging feature, which lets you transform objects in photos, is just the tip of the iceberg. If you're all in on AI, the Pixel 9 Pro XL is your playground. But if you're more cautious and value privacy, the iPhone 15 Pro Max might be more up your alley. Finally, let's talk battery life. Apple claims the iPhone 15 Pro Max can last up to 29 hours of video playback, while Google says the Pixel 9 Pro XL can last over 24 hours with mixed usage. However, Apple's A-series chips have historically been more energy efficient than Google's Tensor processors, so if I had to bet, I'd say the iPhone might edge out in real-world battery performance. But we'll have to wait for those real-world tests to confirm. So which phone takes the crown? If you're looking for cutting-edge AI features, a brighter display, and better zoom capabilities, the Pixel 9 Pro XL is the phone for you. But if you value a more polished ecosystem, energy efficiency, and robust privacy features, the iPhone 15 Pro Max might be your best bet. For me, it's a close call, but if I had to pick one, the Pixel 9 Pro XL edges out as the winner, thanks to its innovative AI features, superior camera zoom, and that stunning display. But honestly, you can't go wrong with either of these phones. It all comes down to what you value most in a smartphone. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth tech comparisons. Drop a comment below. Let me know which phone you think is the best. See you in the next one. Peace out.